what recipe will get his attention and make him think of you. If you think the relationship has been a little bit too comfortable lately, then this tip on how to make a man miss you will be helpful. Just before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't be available all the time. This one goes without saying, yet it's amazing how many people slip up on it. After all, your crush messaged you, of course, you're going to respond straight away. Stop, take a breath. If you're spending all of your time apart sitting by the phone and waiting for a message or call, then you aren't even giving this guy a chance to miss you. Turn your phone on silent or even place it out of sight. It depends how tempted you might be to respond straight away. Make him wonder every now and then about what you're up to and why you aren't responding. It's healthy for the relationship. 1 to 3 hours is a good time frame. After all, you don't want the conversation to go a stale either. The next one is don't say yes to him every time. Learn how to take things slow. You don't have to say yes all the time, even if you're already in a romantic relationship. If he can get everything he wants and there is no resistance, then there is no challenge. That can lead to a lack of excitement, or it might give him the idea that he doesn't need to extra effort for you. Then be the first to end the conversation. After making him wait, he will eventually contact you if he really likes you. Always be the one to hang up the phone and let him be the one to send that last text. The key is to keep him wanting more of you. Because you ended the conversation, it will make him contact you first because he feels the need to continue your conversation. The next one is ask for his help. Men thrive on solving women's problem. If you need something fixed, or your computer is acting up, or if you have a problem in life and you simply need some advice, then seek your man out. A man wants to feel essential. And he wants to be the first person you turn to when you genuinely need help. By triggering this very natural male instinct, you'll not only give him greater satisfaction, but it will also help to rocket your relationship to the next level. And always make him feel like he can't live without you. Be thoughtful of his needs and anticipate them. You don't need to be a mother or nanny to him, but make sure you remember at least one important thing for him. If you know he always forgets to eat breakfast, then surprise him with a meal. That's one of the best ways how to make a man miss you. 6. Go easy on social media. Nowadays, almost all of us have a Facebook account. Pause your Facebook activation for a while. Because how can he miss you if he always sees you in his feeds? Be a little mysterious so that we'll miss you. Pause on updating your status, uploading your photos, and sharing things on Facebook. Additionally, stop liking and commenting on his posts because it will make him think that you are needy for his attention.